are making saag paneer because so many of you have asked me for my recipe. There are a few things I want to tell you before we get started. Saag is a general term for anything that's leafy green, a curry that's leafy green in specific. We are going to be using spinach today, but there are two other variations of this dish. One is done with methi or fenugreek, which you can find very easily in Indian supermarkets when it's in season. The other one is done with mustard, a kind of Indian mustard, which is not easy to find and it's seasonal. The easiest leafy green to find is actually spinach, which is why Palak Paneer is so popular. This is what I have. This is English spinach, and this is easily found everywhere. It's got reddish roots, and they actually call it Chinese spinach in Singapore. The other thing I wanted to mention was paneer. We are not going to be making paneer from scratch because here in Singapore and in most supermarkets today around the world, you can actually very easily find good quality frozen paneer, and that's why I'm using this today. You can very well make your own paneer if you wanted to, but this is really the easy way out. Let's do it.